Okay, so I'm just going to do a little quick video of what I'm doing here. This is the start of it anyway. That's the motherboard, the case, which came today, thanks to Shane. Merci beaucoup. That's the Corsair memory, 8 gigabytes DDR3. And we have, that's the CPU fan. And the CPU I have somewhere. Jeez, what do I do with it? Oh, here it is. Look at that. Isn't that tiny? And that's the CPU, Intel i3. So what I'm going to do, oh wait, before that, that's just the back I/O panel, antenna for Wi-Fi Go, little bits and bobs for SATA cables for the thingy. That's my CPU opened actually. I just need to put the CPU in there. And that was the power supply and the Intel i3 core you've seen. Actually, the first thing I'd done is a little thing here on the back. That was my first little operation on it. I'll just spin it around. First thing I done was have on the black there, right over this guy. Yeah, it's a Wi-Fi Go, and that just had to be, I had to slot that down onto the board, and then on the other side is just one little screw just to fasten it tight, that's all. So that's about it. Case looks cool actually. Just yeah, looks okay. The two sides can come off, which is like good. Alright, so I'll put it down now. The next thing, like I say, what I'm going to do now is fix the CPU onto the motherboard right there, and then put the fan on it. Hopefully that goes okay.